Alright, we're going to show you how to replace a power switch on a Labquest 3. First you want to refer to the video that is the Labquest 3 screen replacement. That will show you how to disassemble the unit and get the screen off. So assuming you've already got the screen off, this is what you'll be looking at. There's 4 screws that you'll take out with a Phillips head screwdriver. You also want to gently disconnect this wire right here, and it just pulls right out. You'll see that there's this part right here that's tucked into the case, so you just gently pull this out, and then the whole board should pop right out. Okay. So now we're going to replace the power switch, which is right here, and I like to set it up in a vise. What you'll need to do is take a heat gun and get it pretty hot, and then you're going to hold onto this with pliers and gently go around the power button and just warm up that solder so that this power button comes off. And yes, you're going to melt the plastic. That's okay. Yep, and that came off pretty easily. The next thing you'll want to do is take your solder wick, and you're going to just clean up these 4 pads and get those nice and smooth. Okay, you take your new switch, and there's 2 tiny little feet that just fit right into those holes, so that makes it easy. Or in theory. Okay, so there's just the 4 pads that you need to hit. I like to start on the sides because that anchors this switch down. Start right here. Now you're going to hit these 2 back pads, and they are a little smaller and a little trickier to hit, so you'll want to be careful not to hit this other component. But they don't need a ton. Okay. Once you've seen the solder flow onto all of those, you're done. And then again, refer to the Labquest 3 screen replacement video for how to reassemble the unit.